So believe it or not, technically we're actually in Cuba, here in Tampa, Florida, in Jose Marti Park. Pretty cool.
And we don't need a passport.
That egg's pretty valuable right now in 2025. So we just finished up at the Ybor City State Museum. Pretty cool. They feature the world's largest cigar, lots of displays on how to roll cigars. Pretty cool stuff.
It was $4 each, but it's a really small museum. But I think it was worth it.
So we don't say this often on our channel, but OMG. Today we ate at Columbia Restaurant, the oldest Spanish restaurant in the United States. This place, you have to have it when you're here in Ybor City.
Oh, it's so amazing. The salad was
To die
out of
for.
this world. And I bought salad dressing to go home with because it was so amazing. But they actually also add Worcestershire sauce to their salad. So that's interesting. I've never even heard of that. But this whole thing was good. It's a long wait though, so just expect that when you come here.
But well worth it. So we're here at the JC Newman Cigar Factory in Ybor City. And we're going to go inside and take a little tour. This is the last factory where they make cigars here. We're going to check it out.
Yeah, they have supposedly they have a free museum. So we're going to check that out. They do have tours, which are $15 a person. I think we're going to skip that today, but we're going to go check out the museum and see what it's like. we were right, it is a museum. It's very small, but they have like a movie. You could pick like 6 different things that you want to learn about the cigar place, and we got free stickers.
And you can also learn how to roll your own cigar here.
Yeah.
Get the high line of Florida Man, but they have variations on it. It's bourbon barrel aged and Spanish cedar. It's gonna be good.
So we are at one of Joe's favorite breweries. He buys this beer almost everywhere we go. I never drink that beer because it's IPA, but they have my kind of beer, and I'm very excited.